pinakabagong Pinoy pop o P-pop girl group.
And we are Nini!
Ang dami naming hinarap na mga challenges.
May kanya-kanyang pinanggalingan, may kanya-kanyang pangarap.
What is known as P-pop now becoming pop.
The nation's girl group making waves.
Sa iba-ibang lugar sa bansa.
#1 all-female pop group in the Philippines today.
It's like the next big goal after Philippine Arena.
Kapag world tour na kayo, what's next?
Dream big as you can.
The first Filipino group to perform at the Coachella Valley.
One of the highlights ng taong to para sa Bini.
Pilipinas, let's show our support.
Kailan mag-ingat?